Hey everyone, it's Dr. Baker, principal at Shorecliffs Middle School, and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to complete your data confirmation and how to print out your data confirmation sheet. Now, we do this every year. You probably did it last year, but if not, please follow along and we will make this nice and easy for you. First off, you have to go to the parent portal link. There's a few ways to do it. The first way is I've put it right here on the front of our webpage, so you click here and you're right in. Also, you can go to the Capistrano Unified School District page, and the URL is right there. When it says, how can we help you? You go ahead and click on that and go to portal. Okay, so we'll just go through our web page link, which is the same. So again, it's right here where it says ARIES Student Information System. You click on that. The sign in is right here, but let's look at a few other links. We do have a quick start video about the portal and also a data confirmation completion video. It's about 6 minutes long, but it'll walk you through a little more of the details. But for ease and quickness, let's go ahead and get started. So you go ahead and click here. This is where you'll put in your email. If you have not ever signed into a parent portal, you can create a new account by clicking here. If you have and you know your email you use, but you forgot your password, please click here, and then you'll come back to this process later. So first, you enter your email, and I'll put mine in and hit next. Then your password. You will sign in. So once you're in the parent portal, there's lots of different features from your home, student info, attendance, grades, medical, and change student. I have 2 students, so if you want to change a student, you go ahead and click here and you can move from student to student. So you go to student info, down to data confirmation. From here, you're going to be asked to complete and update some information. So review each of these tabs from family information, student information, contacts, medical history, document, authorization, and then finally the confirmation. These are very important to do and keep updated because all our systems use this information to contact you, and it's what we see when we are working with your child. So once you're finished and you've done the update, you go to the final data confirmation. You go ahead and click Print Data Confirmation Form. By this time, you'll receive an email just confirming, but you want to take the step to print the confirmation form. You could do it in English or Spanish, and it does come in PDF. You click here. It will bring up your data confirmation form. You can print this, go ahead and sign it and date it, and bring that with you, to registration. If you don't have a printer, that's fine. We'll have a computer lab open here at Shorecliffs, and we'll be able to print that out for you, and we'll have copies of it for you. But please bring proof of your data confirmation if you do it, whether it's on your phone or what have you. So that's it. That's how you do your data confirmation, and you bring your data confirmation parent signature form. Please do that before registration. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to us here at Shorecliffs. See you at registration.